This is the energy routing protocol using the 4 nodes. So this is the node 1, node 2, node 3 and node 4. Now as you can see, the green LED is on over here, which means it's sending the broadcast value of 11, which is defined by us. Right now node 2 and 3 are off, that's why you can see red LED over here on the 4th node, which indicates it is in the waiting state. Now I will try to turn on the 2nd node. Now as node 2 is on, you can see a green light toggling over here, which means it has received the broadcast value from the 1st node. At the 1st node, you can see a green light toggling over here, which means it has selected the 2nd node, which was not in the previous case. At the 4th node, which was previously on the red, which was the waiting state, it has now switched to the toggle state, which means it is receiving data from the 2nd node. So right now the data is being transferred from 1st to 2nd to 4th. Now we have predefined the battery level of 2 as 5 and the battery level of node 3 as 9. So whenever we turn on the 3rd node, the data would be routed from 1, 3 and 4. So now I will try to turn on the node 3. And now as the node 3 is turned on, you can see red and green LEDs over here, which means it has received the broadcast from the 1st node. At the 1st node, you can see the red and green LEDs toggling, which is the last case, which was previously just the green LED. Now there is green and red LED. That means it has selected the 3rd node. At the 4th case, you can see both green and red LEDs. This means it is receiving the data from the 3rd node. So right now the data is being transferred from the 1st node to the 3rd node and then to the 4th node instead of the 2nd one. This is because the battery level of 3 is 9 and battery level of 2 is 5. Now when I switch off the 3rd node, again the data will be rerouted. Now the 3rd node is switched off. So now again you can see the data over here is 1, 0, which is the green. That means 2 has been selected. Again over here, on the 2nd node, you can see green, means it's receiving broadcast from the 1st node. And over here it has switched from the green and red to the toggle mode. This means it's receiving the data from the 2nd node.